In this video, I explain why the front USB ports on a desktop computer may not be working and show 3 possible solutions. Solution 1, drivers. The first thing you should do is check whether all required drivers are installed. To make sure everything is up to date, I recommend using Snappy Driver Installer (SDI), a tool that automatically installs and updates all drivers on your computer. Solution 2, BIOS settings. If the USB ports still don't work, it's possible that they are disabled in the BIOS. Follow the steps shown in the video to enable them. This option is located in a similar place in most BIOS versions. Solution 3, mechanical issue. If all drivers are installed and the USB ports are enabled in the BIOS, but they still don't work, the problem is most likely mechanical. In many cases, the pins inside the USB connector are broken. Open the case and access the small board where the front USB ports are located. Here, we can clearly see that all the pins are broken, and they need to be repaired. I carefully scrape the contacts on the motherboard and solder wires directly to the correct pins. After everything is connected, we can see that the USB port lights up, and the device is properly detected by the operating system.